Do affirmations actually work? They work some for some people. They work really well, and for other people, they just like don't work at all. Let's discuss on why that is. So when it comes to affirmations, it's all in the wording. You gotta be mindful of your words. It's easy to say, I'm a millionaire, right? And then you look at your bank account and nah, clearly you're not a millionaire. So to some degree, it's like I'm lying to myself. But I want you to be mindful of the wording and how the brain works, okay? What happens with that is we learn through repetition. Your subconscious has no judgment of truth, of right or wrong. It only can react off of what it's fed. It only can produce what it's fed. And what it's fed the most, it takes as reality. Okay? So when you say things like, I'm a millionaire over and over again, you start to feel it. It's like you lie to yourself to the point where you believe it. That's not really my methodology when it comes to affirmations. When it comes to using the affirmation, I'm speaking things into existence. So instead of saying I'm a millionaire, I say I'm actively working and progressing towards my goal of becoming a millionaire. Something like that. So I speak things into existence that I want, and I try to put some sense of reality towards it. So just change the wording a bit. Instead of claiming the end goal, acknowledge that you're making progress, or say what it is that you want and claim it in a strong demeanor, but not as if it's already happened. See what I'm saying? Like not like I'm already there. Because if you're already there, what's the point? if you're done. We're making progress. We're always improving. So I can't say I'm a millionaire and that's not the truth. Okay, I can't say that I've done such and such or made so. I've completed whatever goal without actually completing that goal. So when it comes to using affirmations, be mindful of the wording, speak it into existence from a standpoint of reality where you're at now, and yeah, just speak it into existence as a matter of truth, as a matter of progress, versus as it's already done, it's already handled, it's already taken care of. I hope this helps you when it comes to affirmations, and I will give a list of affirmations that I use down below in the description, and these may be helpful to you as well. All right? Much love. Stay improving, guys.